Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm just going to be doing this eye look, which is based by Fairly Oddparents Wanda and Cosmo. I didn't do any face makeup in this video, so all of the face makeup and the tools that I use for it will be in the description box below. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. For the eyes, I'm going to be taking the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and it's in the box because I just purchased it for this video, and I'm super happy because I really want to use this palette. It's so pretty, honestly. So I'm going to start with this eye. Yeah, no, okay. I'm also going to be taking the ColourPop Ooh La La palette. Oh, shit. Oh! Whatever, I'll pick that up. And I'm going to be taking the shade... I'm going to mix Soft Core and Poodle together for the crease. And this brush is just from the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair brush set. And I'm just keeping this setting powder on my face because I'm using greens and pinks, so I don't want it to get everywhere. Okay, so next I'm going to take the shade Sandbar with this ColourPop E2 brush. And I'm placing that a little bit lower than the first two shades. I'm going to come back to this eye, but I'm going to start with the green eye now. I've never worn green eyeshadow, so I'm super nervous. Okay, I'm going to take this shade, and these don't have names, so I'm going to take this green one here on a BH Cosmetics 16 brush. With a new clean ColourPop E2 brush, I'm going to be going in with this shade here, this green one there. Do you see me in the mirror? And I'm going to place it a little lower than the first one. I don't know if it's my skin color, but I feel like the green is turning out a little bit more yellow. So I'm going to go back with the ColourPop Ooh La La palette, and I'm going to take the shade Trove, and I'm just using this BH brush, the number 5 from the Rose Quartz brush set. I swear I look crazy, I know, but like always, when I put eyelashes on, I'll look better. Now I'm going to go to the green side. I'm going to go back in with this clean ColourPop E2 brush, and I'm going to take this green right here. Next, I'm going to take this shade here on the BH V5 brush, and I'm taking that in the outer corner to deepen it up. I'm just going to wipe away this setting powder down here. And this is just a brush from the BH Royal Affair brush set. For the lid, I'm going to be taking this pink shade here, this one, in the BH palette, and I'm going to be using the ColourPop E4 brush. I'm going to spritz it, and this is just the Amethyst Priming Spray from ColourPop. Now I'm just going to mix that BH shade with this shade from the Ooh La La palette, which is called Opulent. For the green side, I'm going to be taking the Complexions International brush in the number 16, and I'm going to be mixing this green shade and that green shade together. I'm going to also mix a bit of the matte shade into it. For underneath this eye on the lower lash line, I'm going to be using this BH brush, the number 7 that came in the Rose Quartz brush set, and I'm going to be mixing the shades Sandbar and Trove together under the line. Now for the green side, I'm going to be taking this ColourPop E5 brush for the lower lash line, and I'm going to be mixing these two shades here together. I'm going to wipe away all this under eye setting powder now. To incorporate the yellow for their wands, I'm going to do yellow in the inner corner on both sides. I'm going to go off camera now, and I'm going to apply my lashes and my mascara and all of that. So my lashes are on, they're just drying right now. So while they dry, before I do my bottom mascara, I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lip in the shade Pink Really Hard, and I just thought pink because, you know, Wanda's pink. This is it for the look. You could pair it with a white dress shirt because that's what Cosmo wears, or a yellow t-shirt because that's what Wanda wears. I don't own both. I don't own either, so I just paired it with this white Levi's shirt. The look is really pretty. I'm super happy with it. It maybe took like 40 minutes. So it's just a really simple, easy Halloween costume that you can do. More like a Halloween makeup look, because then you just pair it with a shirt. But if you like this look, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.